Hello everyone, I'm Patrick. You've probably seen my first video, but, well, today I am showing you my pet birds. You've probably seen them right here. And yeah, these are my birds. Trixie's the black one, well, slightly blackish, and the other one, Trixie's the yellow one, that doesn't have black stripes, and the other one is Jessie. So, I just got these birds today. And we've got them in this little home, yeah, here. I think they like it. Say hi, Jessie and Trixie. They love being on my channel. So basically, I got this little. So let me tour what this place looks like. So first, I'm going to show you this little toy right here. It's a little robot that has all this stuff. They will play with it eventually. There's also what's called this balls. The balls that they can like bounce and have fun with. The little ladder they can climb. A box at the bottom. A box at the bottom for them to play with. And yeah, this was only meant to be a short video, so I'm not going to do anything too long. Little drink things and I locked the cage, but still. Little place to hover. And yeah, that's mainly it. So I'm going to end the episode here. These are my birds. I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video by liking it. And oh, by the way, I forgot to mention they have a mirror. Yeah, no, cool. And I'll see you all later. Oh wait, I didn't tell you what birds they were called, right? Sorry, I wasn't going to end the episode, I was just trying to get you there. They're called Budgies, the birds. Budgies. So yeah, that's what they're called. They're fast little ones, and and yeah. So I'm gonna see you. Oh, they go hyper, yeah. You saw that, right? I'll see you all later. Bye. And like and subscribe.